Welcome to Jack of All Things Disney, a podcast created to satisfy your Disney craving. I want to talk with you about your favorite rides, restaurants, and resorts. I want to hear the details of your trip packing and planning. I want to know about your park touring strategies and your absolute must-dos at Disney. Let's share tips and tricks we've learned along the way, as well as raise funds for foundations that are providing families the experience of Disney that we have all come to know and love. Our combined knowledge and love of Disney will provide others the information and resources that they need to plan their most epic trip. I'm your host, Jill Sutton, daughter of a Disney engineer who helped build Epcot. Disney is in my blood. I now live for the moments where my husband and I can see the magic of Disney come alive in the eyes of our children. Come hang out with us, whether you're planning a trip, wishing you were at Disney, or recovering from the Disney blues. All are welcome here. Thank you for joining the Jack of All Things Disney podcast. See you soon.